Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you.
That's great. What is your name?
My name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria. Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Oh, that's nice. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Wonderful. Do you like to read books in English?
Yes, I like reading books in English.
That's great. Let's learn together. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Perfect. Let's start. What is this?
It is a book.
Good job. Now, can you say, this is a book?
This is a book.
Excellent. Maria, you're doing very well.
Thanks, teacher.
Now let's learn some new words. What is this?
It is a pencil.
Great. Can you say, this is a pencil?
This is a pencil.
Well done. Now let's try another one. What is this?
It is a chair.
Excellent. Can you say, this is a chair?
This is a chair. Perfect.
Now let's put it together. Can you make a sentence using book, pencil, and chair?
This is a book. This is a pencil. This is a chair.
Wonderful. You made great sentences. Keep practicing and you'll get better every day.
Thank you, teacher.
Now, let's practice some colors. What color is the marker?
The marker is red.
Very good. Now, what color is the cap?
The cap is blue.
Great job. Now let's do something fun. Can you find something in the classroom that is green?
The book is green.
Excellent. You're doing amazing. Now, let's practice some numbers. Can you count from 1 to 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great! Now, let's count the number of books in this pile.
1, 2, 3. There are 3 books.
Perfect. You're doing so well, Maria. Can you say, there are 3 books?
There are 3 books.
Excellent. You're learning so quickly. Keep practicing, and soon you will. Speak English very well.
Thank you, teacher. I will practice.
You're welcome, Maria. Keep up the great work.
Okay, teacher. I will practice.
Goodbye, Maria. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, teacher. See you.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.